Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Smart App Control blocked an app that may be unsafe in Windows 11. First, click on the Start menu and search for Windows Security. Go to Windows Security and click on App and Browser Control. On this screen, you will see an option called Smart App Control. Click on Smart App Control Settings. Here, you need to turn Smart App Control off. Now that Smart App Control is turned off, install the application that was giving you the error before. After installing the app, it is a good idea to turn Smart App Control back on to keep your system protected. To do this, press Windows plus R on your keyboard. This will open the Run dialog box. Type regedit and press Enter. In the registry editor, click on H-key Local Machine. Then go to System, then Current Control Set, then Control, then CL, and finally click on Policy. On the right side, look for a value called Verified and Reputable Policy State. Right-click on it and choose Modify. In the Value Data box, type 1 and click OK. This will turn Smart App Control back on. If you ever want to turn Smart App Control off again in the future, you can come back to the same setting and change the value from 1 to 0. Thanks for watching.